Linerless cutter error messages. This video will teach you about linerless cutter error messages and how to fix the issues. Note, never use cleaning agents on the linerless platen roller because it will damage the surface. To avoid damaging the platen roller, do not pick or scrape media from the platen roller. If your printer displays a paper error, a few things may have caused the issue. First, the media may be wrapped around the platen roller. Open the media door.
Open the printer. You gotta take my arm out of that.
Open the print head assembly, and open the cutter. If the media is wrapped around the platen roller, use a flat blade screwdriver to rotate the platen roller backwards to release any trapped media.
Blade screwdriver to rotate the platen roller backwards to release any trapped media. It may help to remove the platen roller from the printer to remove the trapped media. After the media is cleared from the platen roller.
And as you see here, I have a royal mess, which was intended.
Okay.
It may help to remove the platen roller from the printer to remove the trapped media.
Yep.
It may help to remove the platen roller from the printer to remove the trapped media. After the media is cleared from the platen roller,
After the media is cleared from the platen roller, cut a straight edge, and load the media through the cutter. To avoid damaging the platen roller, do not touch the surface of the roller with a cutting tool.
That's perfect. Straight cut. Pull that out and bring it to the left. Make sure that's in there solid. Close the print mechanism.
Press pause to clear the error.
Pause to resume printing.
A second cause of a paper error is that the media is fan folded between the platen roller and the cutter.
Pull it out.
When the media is fan folded like this, remove the folded media, cut a straight edge, and load the media through the cutter.
straight edge.
Make sure that the printer is set for linerless cut. Having the wrong setting can cause this issue.
Close.
Press pause to clear the error. A third cause of a paper error is that the label taken sensor can't see the media.
And we're going to start pulling it.
Open the printhead mechanism and ensure that the media is as far to the left as possible in the cutter and throughout the media path as viewed from the front of the printer.
I'm going to go in gently and open this up.
Ensure that the roll of media is pushed back all the way. Check the media guides to ensure that they are just touching the edge of the media.
Pull that through a little more. Move that guide so it just doesn't touch.
Close the cutter and the print mechanism.
Close the print neck. And
Press pause to clear the error. A media out error is usually due to running out of media. To resolve the error, load a new roll of linerless media. If the printer is already loaded with media, ensure the media type is set for continuous media and that the media handling is set to linerless cut.
Still rolling?
Touch menu. Printer. Print quality. Media type. Continuous. Then finally touch the home icon. Then touch menu. Printer. Image adjust. Media handling. Finally select linerless cut. Touch the home icon. Press pause to clear the error. The printer may show a cutter error. Debris and media scraps may fall behind the cutter and block the cutter closed sensor. Open the cutter. Clean out any debris blocking the sensor. You may need to remove the cutter from the printer to remove the debris from the sensor. After the sensor is cleared, reinstall the cutter and lock it into place. Close the print mechanism. Press pause to resume printing.
We're going to remove the label. And it worked.
Linerless media cutter installation. In this video, you will learn how to install the linerless media cutter in a ZT411 printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Remove any media and ribbon from the printer. Open the media door. Release the tear lower front panel by pushing the cross rib locking post with a screwdriver and slide the front panel away from the printer. Tip the top of the tear lower front panel away from the printer until the mounting tabs separate from the mounting slots. If necessary, lift the front of the printer and remove the lower front panel. Remove the platen roller.
Going to release it, slide it to the side, and then lift up.
Remove the 2 screws and the tear bar from the printer.
There we go. Going to loosen the screws, remove the tear bar, and then remove the screws. Oh, come on. The right tool here.
Remove the 2 mounting screws and the media support piece located behind the platen roller. Install the cutter release assembly in place of the tear bar. Ensure the tabs on the mounting bracket rest on the machined surfaces in the platen frame. Install the dark brown linerless platen roller. While holding the cutter assembly upright, route the cable and cutter motor through the access hole into the media compartment of the printer. Ensure the cutter motor is in the access hole just below the platen roller. Set the linerless cutter into the mounting slots and slide the cutter onto the printer. Install the cutter mounting screw. Press down onto the cutter to keep the mounting tabs in contact with the printer frame.
Just skip that line.
Connect the cutter cable to the multi-plug inside of the printer. Install linerless media. Close the media door. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer. Verify that the printer firmware is Link OS 7.0 or later. If not, update the firmware. Set the following parameters through the control panel. Touch menu. Print. Image adjust. Media handling and set the printer to linerless cut. Touch print. Print quality. Print type and set the printer to direct thermal. Touch print. Print quality. Media type and set the printer to continuous. Touch home. Press the feed button. The linerless cutter is installed and ready to print. Loading linerless media. In this video, you will learn how to install linerless media in a ZT411 printer. Open the media door. Slide out the media supply guide.
Slide out the media guide.
Slide the media guide out.
The other media guide.
Open the print mechanism. During shipment, the media may become dirty when handled or dusty when stored. Remove the outer wrap from the new media roll to prevent contamination of the printer. Press the yellow release latch and open the linerless cutter. Place a roll of media on the media supply hanger. Push the media roll back, and then slide in the media supply guide until it touches the edge of the roll.
We're going to roll that up.
Carefully slide the media under the dancer assembly, through the media sensor, under the print head, and through the linerless cutter.
I'm going to go under the dancer.
Pull the media toward the linerless cutter. Align the media with the left or inboard side of the printer. Close the cutter. Close the print mechanism. Slide in the media guide until it almost touches the edge of the media.
Media guide.
Press pause to resume.
Close cutter.
Close the media door.
This one will do again.
Press feed to test the cutter's operation.